हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 7 कंप्यूटर लेसन 2 जिसका नाम है MS एक्सेल 2010 फार्मूला यानी कि MS एक्सेल में जैसे हम अभी तक MS वर्ड पढ़े थे इससे पहले, तो MS वर्ड में हमने लिखने का काम किया उस हिंदी इंग्लिश में, और उसमें वर्ड आर्ट था, उसमें हमने उसको डिज़ाइन दिया। लेकिन MS एक्सेल उनसे बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, जो आपकी किताब का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट लेसन भी है, जिसमें हम गणित के सारे जैसे हम गणित को लगाने के लिए फार्मूलों का यूज़ करते हैं, उसी तरह से MS एक्सेल में जोड़ घटाना गुणा भाग के अलावा जो भी हम परसेंटेज और जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं वो फार्मूले के द्वारा की जाती है। तो वो इसी लेसन में हमें बताया गया है। ये अब आपकी बुक के अकॉर्डिंग सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट लेसन है, इसको आप ध्यान से देखिए। लिखा है MS एक्सेल. Excel can be used to calculate numerical information. In this lesson, you will learn how to create a simple formula in Excel to add, subtract, multiply and divide value in a workbook. Also, you will learn the various ways you can use cell references to make working with formulas easier and more efficient. Simple formulas. A formula is an equation that perform a calculation like a calculator. Excel can be execute formulas that add, subtract, multiply and divide. One of the most useful features to Excel is its ability to calculate using a cell address to represent the value in a cell. This is called using a cell references. In order to maximize the capabilities of Excel, it is important to understand how to create a simple formulas and use cell references. Create a simple formulas. Excel use standard operators of equations such as plus signature for addition, minus signature is subtraction, asterisk for multiply, forward slash for division and caret for exponents. The key things to remember when writing formulas for Excel is that all formulas must begin with a equal signature. This is because the cell contains or is equal to the formula and its value. To create a simple formula in Excel, select the cell where the answer will appear B4. For example, type of equal signature, type in the formula you want Excel to calculate, for example 75 into 215. Press enter. The formula will be calculated and the value will be displayed in the cell. Creating formulas with the cell references. When a formula contains its cell address, it is called a cell references. Creating a formula with cell references is useful because you can date your worksheet without having to rewrite the value in the formula. To create a formula using cell references, select the cell where the answer will appear B3. For example, type of equal signature, type of the cell address that contains the first number in the equation B1. For example, type the operators you need for your formula. For example, type the addition signature. Type the cell address that contains the second number in the equation. Press enter. The formula will be calculated and the value will be displayed in the cell. To edit a formula, click on the cell you want to edit, insert the cursor in the formula bar and edit the formula as desired. You can also double click the cell to view the edit the formula directly from the cell. When finished, press enter or select the enter commands. The new value will be displayed in the cell. Creating complex formula. Excel is a spreadsheet application that can help you calculate and analyze numerical information for household budgets, company finance, inventory, for the more. To do this, you need to understand complex formulas. Simple formulas have mathematical operations such as 5 plus 5. Complex formula have more than one mathematical operation such as 5 plus 5 minus 2 when there is more than one operation in the formula. The order of operations tells you which operation to calculate first in the order to use Excel. The calculate complex formula you will need to understand the order of operations. Order of operations. Excel calculates formula based on the following orders of operations. Operations enclosed in parentheses: exponential calculation, multiplication and division, whichever come first; addition and subtraction, whichever come first. The following examples demonstrates how to use the order of operations to calculate a formula. नेक्स्ट आगे की चीज़ें हम आपको पढ़ाएंगे। ये लेसन काफ़ी बड़ा है, तो इसको 3 पार्ट में हम आप लोगों को पढ़ाएंगे। तब तक आप लोग इसकी जितने भी फार्मूले हैं फिगर बना के दिया हुआ है, आप इसको याद कर लीजिएगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।